There's the due process issue, but Mr. Bailey, let's turn to you and let's talk about the equal protection aspect of it. As you've just described, Ms. Foley, this is one case against one man for one purpose. And in fact, the governor of the state of New York has said it. Look, everybody, don't worry, we're not coming after you for these kinds of fraud claims. We're just going after Donald Trump. Isn't that the antithesis of the foundation of our Constitution that is based upon equal protection and equal application of the law? Have you ever seen anything like what they have done to Donald Trump in their effort to destroy who they perceive to be their political enemy? Mr. Bailey.
I have never seen such an egregious assault upon the tenets of equal protection as when government officials in the state of New York claim that they are specifically targeting one individual and will not use the same laws against anyone else. But I want to go back to the due process issue briefly, because everything that's being said here is further amplified by the fact that Section 175.10 of the Code of State of New York, which forms the basis of the 34 charges, has an affirmative defense that requires the defendant to get a preponderance of the evidence. How can he go get his evidence if you bring the claims late? Statute of limitations are intended to prevent sandbagging of claims.
That's exactly right. And in this particular circumstance, and what we've seen in the other persecutions against Donald Trump, they absolutely had to violate those basic tenets in order to go after him. It is absolutely an egregious violation of the law. It is a level of constitutional malpractice, the likes of which I've never seen. And Ambassador Eisen, I think that if you were being honest, you would agree with that. With that, I yield back.
Gentlelady,